I think that it's very nice that we're doing this. I feel very generous that we're all able to donate to the people that don't even have the books that we do, and that we could have the opportunity to donate to them. And it's just very nice of us to do that, and that I'm very happy we have the opportunity to do that.
Okay, so I am donating the first Harry Potter book, and Harry Potter really inspired me to read more, and I really want someone else to have that opportunity to read and to have a lot of fun reading. So we did this cards that say, "Giving makes me feel," and you get to write what it feels about. I wrote, I like that I'm giving something important and that I'm giving a childhood to another child.